Hey lads, TechScanning here. So despite US restrictions, last year Huawei managed to launch the smartphones, the Huawei Mate 60 series with 5G support and an in-house chipset. However, now it appears their 2024 flagship lineup, the Huawei P70 series, is taking the shape. So recently the leaked protective cover revealed the P70 series will sport a new rear design featuring a triangular rear camera island. And now 3 Huawei devices just spotted on the Geekbench, revealing interesting details which are believed to be the Huawei P70, P70 Pro and P70 Art. So looking at the listing, the 12-core configuration chipset with 2 prime cores at 2.62 GHz is powering the standard Huawei P70 and P70 Pro. Now this suggests it is the same the Huawei's in-house Kirin 9000S chipset that we saw on the Mate 60 Pro. Speaking about the performance scores, the standard P70 marked 1243 single-core and 3840 multi-core scores, while for the P70 Pro it achieved a slightly higher 1348 single-core and 4114 multi-core scores. However, things get interesting when it comes to the top of the line, the Huawei P70 Art. So it appears it will have a new Kirin chipset with a different core arrangement. Now we don't know its name, but as per the listing, instead of 12, this newer chipset has 8 cores featuring a single prime core with a peak clock speed of 3.19 GHz, 3 cores at 2.75 GHz and 4 cores at 2.02 GHz. And it seems like the higher clock speed and different core arrangement enable the Huawei P70 Art to achieve higher scores in Geekbench testing than the other models. It marked 1784 single core and 4589 multi-core scores. Now if we compare it with the current high-end Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in flagships such as Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Snapdragon chipset has a significantly higher score. However, considering the Huawei Mate 60 series was pretty smooth with Huawei's Kirin 9000S chipset, we can expect an even better experience with the Huawei P70 series. Now, for the launch date, the previous P60 series was launched in March, but for the P70 series, the brand is so far tight-lipped. Anyway, the Huawei P70 series will be here soon for sure. Let me know what are your hopes about it, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.